Hi guys, welcome back to Bitesize Excel. In our last video, we looked at using a nested if function to do logical checks on multiple criteria and return a grade dependent on somebody's score. There is a second way of doing this, which is by using another formula which is called IFS. So if we put in another column similar to the one we've just used, so in our if formula, what we did is we checked C2 against each of these elements, carrying out the logical tests, going from largest down to smallest. And we could do the exact same thing with our ifs formula. And you may find this a slightly simpler way than using a nested if. So to use this formula, what we do is we type equals ifs. And the way this works is the first parameter is your first logical test. The second parameter is the value if true. Then your third one is your second logical test. Fourth one is the value if true. And what your ifs function will do is it will go through each logical test and it will stop on the first one that it finds is true. So as with your nested ifs, you may need to make sure that you build this up in a logical way so that you get the correct result. So what we'll do is we'll do our first logical test. So we want to check our exam results. We want to see if it's greater than or equal to 70. And we'll make that absolute. And then we want to return A. We'll make that again an absolute. And this here then is your first logical test. And this is your first result. So if we want to go on, we then have the second logical test. So to build this up easily, I'm going to select my first two parameters here. I'm going to copy them, but I'm going to change it to the third row. And then I'll copy it again, change it to the fourth. And in a similar way for the fifth and the sixth. And once you've reached the end, you can simply close the brackets. Unlike with a nested if, you're not opening loads of brackets, so you don't have to add lots of brackets on the very end. And if we hit enter then, you'll see we get our A here, which is correct. And if we copy our formula down, we should be returning the same result as we were getting with our nested if function. As I said in our nested if video, it's still very important to build this up in a logical manner, because the formula only reads until it reaches the first true, and then it will return that value and ignore anything afterwards. To prevent values below 0 and above 100, I put some data validation on this column. So the function as it is should only be returning one of these values here. So that is a very quick whistle-stop tour through the ifs function, which is essentially an alternative to using nested ifs and arguably a much simpler version. If you've got any particular questions, please do leave me a comment. I do hope that you found this video useful. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.